Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are fine and ready to learn something new. This video is all about the installing Docker on Mac. And to install Docker on Mac, without wasting time, let's begin. Open your browser, whatever browser you're using, type download Docker for Mac. Here's the first link. Now, here's second link will follow. But at the time you are watching, maybe this link will not appear or something else. So you have to use your own mind instead of just relying on this video. So open this link and press this button, download from Docker Store. Okay. Firstly, you have to create your account in this website, which is Docker Store. And after creating your account and logging in this website, again come to this website, to this URL, and press this button. Please log in to download. Press this button and log in. I already have an account, so I can just log in. And press this button, get Docker from Mac. Make sure you download the CE edition, which is Community Edition. Press this button. Downloading is started. I just don't want to download, but after downloading, you have to install it, and after installing, you just have to open your terminal and run some commands. Like Docker version. This will show you the response that Docker is installed fine, installed successfully. If it shows some error, you have to reinstall the Docker on your Mac, and if the issue is still not resolving, then you have to search it on Google and face the issue and resolve it. The second command you have to type is yahoo intro. The both commands you have to type step by step, and if they are true, you have to search it on Google. Firstly run this command, and after getting response accordingly, if other than Google, otherwise enjoy. That's next video. And run this command. Okay, finally, Docker install your Mac. Finally, congratulations. Now it's time to cut her. So start doing. For now, I hope you learned something. Thanks for your time. For now, bye.